Hey everyone, this is Dimunana from Attribution Booster Agency. In today's video, we'll talk about benefit using ClientFast. If you build website or Webflow, you have probably heard about ClientFast. But what is it? Why should you use it? Let me break down for you. Without a proper system, Webflow project can get messy. You mind it up with a random class name, repeated style, and a project that's hard to manage. ClientFast solve this problem by giving a clear, universal structure that any designer or developer can understand. Benefit of using ClientFast. Number 1. Clean and organized project. Everything is structured, section, container, components, utilities, so your Webflow Designer sets neat and easy to navigate. Number 2. Easy collaboration. If you work a team, anyone can jump your project. Instantly understand your naming conversion and layout. Number 3. Scalable and maintainable. Updating or spending a website later become much easier because everything follow a consistent system. Number 4. Client friendly. Even your client can small update confidently since everything is labeled logically. Imagine you built a site 6 months ago and now the client want a new section added. With ClientFast, you doesn't waste your time watching what class does. You know exactly where to go. And if you ever hand off the project, the next developer can take over smoothly. So, if you want to your Webflow project to be professional, scalable, and easy for client to manage, adapt ClientFast. It's free, powerful, and it will make your workflow way more efficient. Thank you for watching my video.